Wonder what's in there, Ryan.
Down.
What's going on? You right? Goodness me. Is that a heavy box today?
Right.
Maybe there's lots of food in there. Get your scissors.
That's it.
Get that worked out, haven't you? Alright, what's in there? Don't be so rough. Goodness me, hang on. Kill my flowers here. Goodness. No mucking about today, mate. Goodness me, what's in there? Milkshake. Don't need to be rough, mate. How about you just put the things down nicely instead of throwing them?
Right.
What's that?
What's that, Mum?
Peanut blondie pudding.
Blondie bed? Oh, you know.
You don't reckon that sounds alright?
I think,
Lucky we've got a few different things here.
there.
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
Look at this.
Cheesy beef meatball and bacon
Meatballs?
subs.
What did I think Logan did work?
Yeah, it's a sub like at Logan's work. What else have you got there? Goodness me.
Pie.
Oh, that's some pastry. That's for the, that's for this one. Oh no, that's for creamy chicken and zucchini pie.
Oh, look at that.
Yep, you can put that in Jack's water. Ryan, look at these. Creamy chicken and zucchini pie.
No.
That's what this is for.
Pie.
There's lots in there today.
That's real nice.
Mm.
Whoop, look at me.
What else is in there?
What's that doing? That's it.
Lucky all your fans on Facebook and TikTok have signed up for Everyplate.
What is that?
Yeah, they help you get all this food, don't they? You have to say thank you.
Thank you.
Look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
Good boy. Alright, let's have a look. What are we going to make for dinner tonight?
Who's it?
Alright, Ryan. Which one's it going to be? Which one are you going to have for dinner tonight after
Meatballs.
training?
Meatballs.
Meatballs and
Meatballs.
bacon sub. So you're going to have that one tonight?
Yeah, just go ahead and do meatballs.
Yeah, it's got meatballs.
Who's that?
They're tacos.
Tacos.
Yeah.
Oh,
Which one? You're going to have them tomorrow?
yeah.
Alright.